Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I am doing the Eureka Math Grade 1 Module 3 Lesson 2 homework. So let's get started. Use the paper strip provided by your teacher to measure each picture. Circle the words you need to make the sentence true. Then fill in the blank. So basically what this means, we're using the paper strip that we got from our teacher to measure the picture. So I did not get mine from a teacher, but I made my own. So it might look different than yours. It might be shorter, longer, or you might get different results, but I'm just going to use this one and show you guys how you're supposed to measure it and everything. And again, you might get different answers, but I'll just show you guys how to measure it. And then circle the words you need to make the sentence true. We're circling here and we're filling in the blank. So number 1, the Sunday is longer than, shorter than, or the same length as the paper strip. So let's find out. So here, let's measure. So notice how this is the bottom, but we don't start from here because this is the very edge. Even though it's not at the bottom, we start from the very edge. So here, the paper strip goes until here. It doesn't meet the end of the Sunday or go past it, which means the Sunday is longer than the paper strip. Next, it says the spoon, so let's measure it at the very tip. So the spoon does not touch the end of the paper strip, which means the spoon is shorter than the paper strip. So if the spoon is shorter, but yet the Sunday is longer, that means that the Sunday is longer than the spoon, which means the spoon is shorter than the Sunday. And number 2, we have the balloon and the cake. So the balloon is longer than, shorter than, or the same length as the cake. So we can find out with this too. So the cake or the balloon meets pretty much go here of this paper strip, and the cake it is pretty much the same, or I'd say maybe a little bit longer, which means the cake is definitely longer than the balloon. And if you look at it, you can already tell too. So that means the balloon is shorter than the cake. All right, next page. So here we have number 3. The ball is shorter than the paper strip. So yeah, the ball is shorter. So that means the shoe is blank than the ball. So let's measure the shoe. So obviously the shoe is longer than the paper strip. So if the paper strip is shorter than the shoe, but yet the ball is shorter than the paper strip, it means that the shoe is longer than the ball. And over here it says, use the measurements from problems 1 to 3. Circle the word that makes the sentences true. So here are the keywords. So number 4, the spoon is longer or shorter than the cake. So let's go back over here. So we have over here, the spoon is shorter than the paper strip, but the cake is about the same size, which means that the spoon is shorter than the cake. Number 5, it says the balloon is longer or shorter than the Sunday. So the balloon here is shorter than our paper strip, but yet the Sunday is longer, which means the Sunday is longer than the balloon, which also means the balloon is shorter than the Sunday. Number 6, the shoe is longer or shorter than the balloon. So the shoe here, where's the shoe? So the shoe here is longer than our paper strip, but the balloon is shorter, which means that the shoe is longer than the balloon. Number 7, order these objects from shortest to longest: cake, spoon, and paper strip. So obviously our shortest one would be the spoon because it is shorter than the paper strip. So here we can write spin because they're labeling from shortest to longest. Now let's look at the cake. So I say it can be about the same size, if not maybe a little bit bigger. So I say then comes the cake and the paper strip. And again, you might be getting different answers since your paper strip probably looks different than mine. But again, I'm just showing you guys how to measure it. And here we have a third page. It says, draw a picture to help you complete the measurement statements. Circle the word that makes each statement true. So number 8, Marnie's hair is shorter than Wesley's hair. So we can draw Marnie's hair and Wesley's hair, and let's label it too. So let's make this Marnie. So her hair, we have to draw it shorter than Wesley's, which means we have to draw Wesley's extra long. So we can do very long hair for Wesley. And now it says, Marnie's hair is longer than Beta's hair, which means Beta's hair is shorter than Marnie's. So let's draw Beta. We have to draw her hair extra short. So that means that Beta's hair is shorter than Wesley's hair. Since Marnie's is already shorter, but yet Beta's is shorter than Marnie's, which means her hair is shorter than Wesley's hair. Number 9, Elliot is shorter than Brady, so let's draw Elliot. Could be Elliot, smiley face, shorter than Brady, which means Brady is taller. Let's label this Brady. But Sinclair is shorter than Elliot, so we have to draw Sinclair even shorter, which means that Brady is taller than Sinclair, since Elliot is shorter than Brady, but Sinclair is shorter than Elliot. So Brady is taller than Sinclair. And you can also tell by the drawing, but usually it might not be drawn to scale. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped, and please don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps out my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!